Have you got an established customer base and you're looking to see how it is that you can expand that? Do you work in direct sales and you want to be able to earn some more and you've already got some customers? Have you thought about showing them the products more than once in a campaign cycle, but you don't really know how to make it work for you? Well, this video is just going to talk to you about how I do a book drop twice a month. So with a direct selling company that I work with, Avon, we have a book every month. So each month we have a fresh book and it's named after the month so that we can keep track of them. And I show that book to our customers twice every single solitary month, and it makes a huge difference on our sales. Going back a little time, I only used to show the book to our customers once per book. And since we changed to showing our customers the book twice, we've actually managed to double our income. It's taken a little bit of time to build that up, so it wasn't the first time that we did it that happened. But if you're working in direct selling, then you understand that there's an investment in what you do. But over a short period of time, we were able to get our customers into a routine. And like I said, we've doubled our income from the same customer base by showing the book more than once. So how does it work? How can you make it work for you? Well, I guess the first thing that I would explain is that we found our little method of doing our book drops through a bit of necessity, because we don't live particularly close to our customers. We actually live in the middle of nowhere. We live in the Cambrian Mountains in mid Wales. We're surrounded by sheep and views and spectacular scenery, but not an awful lot of Avon customers. Now, there are customers locally, but we also have team members locally, so we don't really want to tread on their toes. And I just wanted to explain why it was that we ended up doing it the way that we've done it. But now I teach it to everybody that I can come across. So we physically leave our house 4 times in a month to be able to show our customers the book twice, deliver twice, and pick the book up twice. And we do that all just in 4 visits to our customers. So you can adapt this any way that you want to. You can make the visits gaps bigger or smaller to fit in with your routine and your lifestyle. But you could make it more often than once a month. You can twice a month, sorry. You can do it any which way that you want to do. You can stagger your customers any way that you like, but I'll just go over the principles with you, and I'd love to hear from you if you give this a go and see how you find it. So I'll start off with what we've just done this last week. So on Friday that's just gone, we went and delivered our last order for the month of August. With that order for the customers, in with that order, we put the September book for the first time. Anybody who hadn't ordered from us, we just dropped the September book through their letterbox. So every one of our customers, irrelevant over whether they'd ordered or not, they've got the September book for the first time, and that was on Friday. On Monday, we went back and we collected up the September books from everybody with their orders for that first look at the book. I'll be placing those orders online, and I will keep those orders with me until not this Friday coming, but the following Friday. So we basically do every other weekend. So we've just done Friday and Monday. We won't do anything to do with our customers this Friday and Monday, but the following Friday and Monday we will be delivering that first September order to our customers, and in with their order there will be the second chance to have a look at the September book. Anybody who didn't order from us, we will drop the September book through their letterbox for the second time. We'll go back on Monday and we will pick up all of the books with the customer orders in them. I will then place those orders online. We won't do anything the coming Friday or Monday, but the following Friday we'll go out, we will deliver the second lot of the second lot of orders for September, and they will get their first chance to look at the October book. We will also drop a book to all of the customers who didn't order, so they get the October book for the first time, and on the Monday we pick up the orders from that October book, and we just keep repeating that throughout the whole year. Now, anyone who's good at maths will know that if we do that through the whole year, that it doesn't add up. So the great thing is 4 times a year we get a 3-week gap, and we have 2 weekends where we don't do any Avon. So our customers know when it is that we're coming, they know when we are going to deliver it, and I can assure you that the spend per customer has gone up. We have some customers, and I'd probably say it's about 20% of our customers order every time we show them a book. We have some of our customers who've got into their little routine where they always order the first time they see the book, or they always order the second time that they see the book. And some of our customers are really random on the way that they order. But we have gone from before we started doing this with the same customer base to doubling the income that we have from dropping those books off. So I would really, really, really ask you, please think about doing it. I know my thoughts when I first came up with the notion of showing it to them twice was like, why would they want to look at the book twice? Why would they shop with me twice? It's the same book. And then it was highlighted to me, yeah, but you go back to the supermarket every week and they've got the same things in their shop. You don't go in and go, oh no, they've still got pasta for sale. They had pasta for sale last week. You don't say that at all. You're like, oh, thank goodness they're still selling pasta because I need some. I didn't need any last week. And that's what we found is the same with our customers. They may not have bought anything last time, or they might have ordered last time, but they hadn't run out of shampoo. They've now run out of shampoo, so they want to order it. So we really encourage people to go out twice a month with their books. You don't need to spend a lot of time doing it. You can find your own routine. You don't have to stick to the exact dates that we do. Find something that works for you. But whichever way you find, I really strongly recommend that you show that book to your customers twice a month, and you'll be really, really thrilled with the way that your income goes up. Good luck, and let me know how you get on.